Today we are doing 2 AC coils, and this is the first one. So it's pretty old, but it's pretty much the exact same equipment we're putting in, so we might be able to actually take this front panel off, slide in the new coil inside the existing panel, and then put the new doors on if it's an exact match. And then we won't have to deal with trying to cut anything, take anything apart, and it should be very straightforward. The line set runs up through finished walls in here, so we have to flush the line set, which is not a big deal. Come on, focus. There we go. But yeah, and then this guy's got some pretty cool stuff down here. It's got a whole workshop full of like really old stuff, so pretty cool. But yeah, so this is the first one. It shouldn't be too bad. It's just a very large coil. So let's get started. So I had to cut the ductboard. Of course, this coil is 26 inches tall, the other one's 21. But luckily it's ductboard. It's an exact match to the furnace. So that was extremely easy to put in and get that done. And the line set pretty much goes right back to it. So I just got to get a Street 90 on there, cut that open, pop the guy on, drain. And then I have to do, I got to hardwire the dude's pump for him, because that's what we said we'd do. I have to see if I have stuff. I might just slap an outlet on there, pop a GFI or something. Yeah, not too bad. Drain done. Got that all fitted up for when they come in here. Just got to do some safeties. I got to wire that pump in, so I got to slap a GFI on that. And then, yeah, I just got to wait for them outside and we'll be good to go. We got her all done, all sealed up, line set done, safety's in, pump's good to go. Had to pop a GFI on there because of freaking code. But yeah, she's all good. So all I gotta do is just go check the outdoor, make sure the outdoor is all good, make sure those guys are all done cleaning up and buttoned up, and on to the next AC coil for today. Okay, so outdoor's good. Have a very green apprentice doing it with another guy, so it doesn't look horrendous, but he's definitely getting there. So hopefully within a week or two he'll start getting the hang of it a lot better. Other than that, it's working great. Splits are good. So off to the second one. Cool. Yeah, no, I have 0 service. But coil number 2. So we got the unit right there. Line set goes out right there. And the unit is right there. So, oh my God, is that a dryer vent? That is a dryer vent. Okay. Can't do anything about that. Okay. let's get started on coil number 2. Okay, I was able to get the coil in the existing coil because it's an exact matchup. We put the new coil in, new door on, so we're all good to go with that. They're running a line set, which is literally like a 2-foot line set. There's the actual old line set right there. If my phone will focus, right there. So I don't know why there we go, holy crap. So I gotta put a new pump down there, gotta repair that because that's just dangling there. Put the easy trap, and then yeah, this one should be actually a little bit quicker than the other one, even though we're running a line set with this one. So looking good. We are all done. New line set ran, all the mechanicals done, now nice and pretty. Still have the extension cord vacuum, that'll be pulled in a second. But yeah, not too bad. This one wasn't as bad. So just gotta check on the outdoor, which the outdoor is pretty much done. Like I said, it's just gotta get that extension cord out of there and we'll be good to go. And there's the outdoor. Everything's all Gucci over there. Yeah, looking pretty. I just got to remind him he's got to do something about that dryer vent. That was the last coil. Yeah, that was not good. That was caked, especially in that tight spot. But yeah, pressures are good, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one.